Hi everyone and thanks for being here. My name is Arash and welcome to this Nexttut course, Cinematic Environment Creation in UE5. I want to just give you a clear tour of what this course is, why it matters, and what you'll be able to do by the end. We're building a lighthouse on a harsh coastline, a compact project that teaches you storytelling through environment while matching the real production challenges. Every lesson connects. Art decisions drive tech, and tech supports art. By the end, you'll be able to turn a reference board into a solid documentation plan, sculpt hero props, create nature modular kits and procedural workflows, build rain VFX, and make materials in UE5, Substance Painter, and Designer. We will work pass by pass in a production flow. Turn a documentation into a blockout, sculpt hero props, do retopology and UVs, textures and materials, VFX and water system in Unreal Engine 5, PCG for rock placement, and lighting our environment. Our critiques will be practical and tied to your intent. So, if you're interested in this course, join me. My name is Arash and happy to share my knowledge. So let's block out your first composition this week and let's build something worthy together.